In this video, I'll show you how to connect GitHub to Bolt.new. First, open your web browser, go to the Bolt.new website, and sign into your account. Then open the project you want to connect to GitHub. Next, click the GitHub button or open the Integrations section, depending on your version of Bolt.new. If this is your first time connecting GitHub, click Connect GitHub and follow the prompts. Now, you'll be redirected to GitHub. Sign in if necessary, then authorize Bolt.new to access your GitHub account. You may be asked to grant access to all repositories or only selected repositories. Choose the option that works best for you and complete the authorization. After that, return to Bolt.new and select the GitHub repository you want to connect to your project. If you don't already have a repository, create a new one from Bolt.new if the option is available, or create one on GitHub and then connect it. Finally, confirm the connection and wait for the synchronization to finish. Once connected, you can save your project to GitHub, sync your changes, and use GitHub for version control and collaboration. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect GitHub to Bolt.new. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.